We have implemented pretty much all the feedbacks and the required feature in AutoTestData, which you all have recommended. So let's see what all new things we have added in AutoTestData, which will make even further easy to generate the software testing data to test any of the application. So simply just go to autotestdata.com, and here the very first feature which we have added. So let me just open the block from here where you will find all the features. So AutoTestData new features here. Yeah, so first feature is swipe the rows. So earlier we feel that, like, let's say it is showing in the order of names, phone, email, currency, number, range, but there might be a requirement that you want first field as an email field. So in that case, now you would be able to simply drag and drop, and in whichever format, whichever place you want to generate, that you can keep it here. Or let's say you have added some field. For an example, you added country here. Okay, now after adding country here, you want country to place at the second position. So earlier you were not able to do that, but now you will be able to do. And here, let's say you want to generate, you will just simply click on generate, and you will see the data will be generated in the same format. Like whatever sequence you have kept it here, in the same sequence it will generate here. Okay, so that's the first feature. The next one is placeholder on add more. Okay, so this is a minor UI improvement. Earlier it was like by default. Let me just refresh the page. So by default, earlier the field name, first field name was showing here name, but now we have changed the placeholder, so it will be like more, it is now more meaningful and easy to understand what it is saying. Then show tooltip on delete the last row. This is another feature improvement from the community suggestion. So like earlier, when you were deleting all these rows, so it was letting you click on this, but it was not deleting. So functionality was, it was fine, but it was not letting you know that what's there. So now if you will click on this, it will show you this error message that there must be one row. So basically there should always be one row. Now we have added this alert, which you will get that okay, why it is not allowing you to delete the last row as well. Add more data format. So we have added few more data formats, like separated by pipe and some more few here we added, which will be more helpful for you guys. And fix the preview for CSV and Excel. Okay, so earlier the preview, like if we generate the data in CSV format, so the preview was not good. Like let's add some more rows here. Phone, email, let's say we want to generate email, let's say we want to generate the country name as well. Okay, so we want to generate, and now let's generate these. So you see now it is showing more meaningful, I mean it's more readable content here, that you can see the name, comma, then a space, after comma we have added a space, and little more like readable content you will feel it here in case of Excel and CSV. Earlier it was not that readable, so we made it better now. Add data type and option to generate in different formats. So this is another suggestion from community. Earlier we were not having the date field here, so now you have the date field here. If you select this, you would be able to generate in require format, like whatever format you require. Let's say there are some predefined formats, so we have kept it here. You can choose any of them, and then you can just simply, let's say you want in this format, click on generate, and you would be able to generate the date in this format like this. So hope this will be helpful for you guys. Or if you want to change anything, like you just change it and generate the data, and it will generate in required format of the date. Feature to generate data separated by, this is like another great feature. Many people use it in Cucumber for with Cucumber. So in this kind of format it will be helpful. Let's say you want to generate the data separated by pipe, so just click on generate, and you see that separated by pipe the data is coming by, and you can simply copy or download whatever you want. Pin code is specific to country. So earlier we were having the option, like if you select here postal code or zip code. So by default it was generating for like any country, but now we have this option. This is again a community feedback that if you want to generate India specific postal or zip code, or USA or UK, so that you can select. Like let's say we select India here, and suppose we click on generate. You can also change the number of rows, how many you want to generate. So now you see that this is like India specific 6-digit pin code, postal code, whatever you say, that is it is generating. So now you have this option. Fixed some of the like minor issues has been fixed. Earlier it was not generating the alphanumeric data. So suppose if you select this alphanumeric field and add it there, then it was not generating. Now you will see that it will be generating alphanumeric values as well. You can see that here, the last value, and you can change the like how many alphabets or numbers, I mean total length of that you can set it here, like 5 length you want to keep it 5 or 6, whatever you want, that you can set it here. And user is able to enter negative value in generate button field. So now that is also fixed here. So you see that earlier user was able to enter the negative value here. Now you would not be able to do that. So that is also fixed. So, and apart from this, like lots of minor fixes and the performance improvement has been done. So hope you are enjoying the AutoTestData. Please let the community know that this amazing tool is there now, and they can simply generate the test data in 3 clicks in place of wasting a lot of time, like using the faker library and other stuff, maintaining the code and all. Nothing is required. You just open autotestdata.com, and there you would be able to, like, simply you see that how easy it is. Like suppose if we refresh this page, this is how it opens. If you want to add more, you can add more, or whichever format you want, you just select that format, click on generate, and your data is generated. You can either copy or download. If you want to generate more rows, whatever number of rows, you just enter there and you would be able to generate it. So this is really amazing. Already like so many people are using it. This much data is already generated. People are loving it and making best use of this. So request all of you that please share AutoTestData in your network and let others know that this is amazing free tool is available from SelectorsHub, and people can make the best use of it and save their time. Please do let us know what all features, or if any suggestions out there. You can always raise a ticket here. You see that under suggestion, we look out all the issues very carefully. You see all the features which we just shown you, which like country, postal code, user should not allow, enter negative value, alphanumeric, delete functionality, behavior, suggestion, can we have a format to generate data with pipes. So all these issues what we just showed you guys, they have been all fixed. And like date, format, all the features are user community feedback, which we are adding it here. So request you all that if you have any new feature suggestion, anything which you feel that can be improved here, which can add more value in your day-to-day work while doing testing, definitely we are here to help you and will implement that features. So please do let us know, raise a ticket here if you find anything which can improve this tool, which can help you guys more to save more time. And there is another tool we recently launched, Testing Daily. So if you don't have Testing Daily in your installed in your browser, then please install this Testing Daily. Also it is available as a mobile app. You can install it to get all the latest testing innovation updates from all the testing expert bloggers, YouTubers, and everyone. So yeah, that's these all are the new features in AutoTestData. And if you haven't subscribed to the channel, please like this video and let others know about this tool. Thank you so much.